It is very unfortunately ये बहुत ही बुरा हुआ मेरी कंट्री के लिए, मेरे पूरी सोसाइटी के लिए। बांग्लादेश की इतिहास में इतना काला दिन, इतना बुरा दिन और नहीं आया। बांग्लादेश की 18 करोड़ जनता है। 18 crore people are rowing now. They are crying. ये इतना बुरी हुआ कि पूरा जाति आज पूरा देश आज रो रहा है। ये बंगाली के इतिहास में सबसे कलंक के दिन है।
Unexpected. I think this was expected that this is going to be the final decision that the ICT is going to take. So it doesn't come as a surprise. But in terms of how it has been justified, because you know what Sheikh Hasina has also said, that it is very regrettable, it is very tragic that all these deaths have taken place, but that she had no personal role, no individual role to play in that, in any of that. And she said that there is no evidence that has been presented to the court by the lawyers, by those who have accused her, that she had any individual personal role to play in this. So I think that is what will really need to be seen, and whatever little I have been able to see of the judgment, it also seems, the person who's pronouncing this verdict, he says the evidence seems to be genuine. Now, if there is an evidence you are producing in the court, and if it just seems to be, there is not 110% proof that an individual was involved, you don't give a death penalty to that person. So it does appear to be, to me, to be on rather shaky grounds on the basis of which this verdict has been given. And they say that, it is not these are not artificial intelligence images, etc. But, there is so much more than artificial intelligence that can be done to tamper with any evidence. We know that, technology has moved so fast. So we'll really have to see, we'll have to examine what this verdict is all about. But, coming back to it, I don't think any of this was unexpected.
If you do the second and the last question, India react to this verdict because there are multiple allegations as well. What should be India's position, Ashok Sajjanhar?
You see, as far as Sheikh Hasina's asylum and refuge in India is concerned, it's not the first time. We know that when her father was killed and the whole family was assassinated, was butchered in 1975, 15th of August 1975. She was out of the country and she came to India and she sought refuge here. She was here, on an asylum for 6 years. Then also we had given refuge. India's policy has been to give refuge to all those people who are oppressed, who are tormented. And we have seen that, the manner in which the Muhammad Yunus government has been operating since August when he came to power. He's an undeclared, unelected, Prime Minister. And so we would like to wait for free, fair, inclusive elections to be held. And then whatever the government comes and whatever, decision it takes. Because I'm sure that a representative government in Bangladesh would recognize that, having good friendly relations with India is to their own interest. It is in the interest of both the countries. And that is what India has been working on. It is not that India was working specifically with Sheikh Hasina, only with Sheikh Hasina. Sheikh Hasina was the power. She represented power, she represented the government. And that is why we were working with her. And whichever is a regularly elected government, India would work with that particular government. So let a representative government be elected in Bangladesh, and then we will see how to take the matter forward.
What's your comment on it?
It is very unfortunately, ये बहुत ही बुरा हुआ मेरी कंट्री के लिए, मेरे पूरी सोसाइटी के लिए। बांग्लादेश की इतिहास में इतना काला दिन, इतना बुरा दिन और नहीं आया। बांग्लादेश की 18 करोड़ जनता है। 18 crore people are rowing now. They are crying. ये इतना बुरी हुआ कि पूरा जाति, आज पूरा देश आज रो रहा है। ये बंगाली के इतिहास में सबसे कलंक के दिन है, सबसे बुरी दिन गया है। ये डेथ सेंटेंस नहीं है, ये पूरा जाति की डेथ कर दिया। ये यूनुस सरकार ने यूनुस ये जाति को इतना बुरी हालत कर दिया कि इनका हालत क्या हो जाएगा। यूनुस को और यूनुस को गैंग को जो आसिफ नजरुल जो प्रोसिक्यूशन ये जो किया, ये जो साजिश किया, ये साजिश की खिलाफ पूरा बंगाली जनता, पूरा जाति, पूरे बंगाली कौम आज जाग रहा है, आज इसके खिलाफ आवाज उठा रहा है। ये बांग्लादेश की आप कोना कोना में जाए, आप टेकनाफ से तेतुलिया, सारी दुनिया में, सारी बांग्लादेश में नहीं, सिर्फ मैं अभी जेनेवा ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन सामने से बात कर रहा हूँ, जेनेवा हाई कमीशन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स ऑफिस के सामने मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि इधर जेनेवा में जितना ह्यूमन राइट्स एक्टिविटीज, जितना डिप्लोमेट के साथ अभी सुबह मुलाकात हुआ, all the diplomats, all the human rights activities and the international peoples are very
I would like to
denied.